If you haven't seen it already, then have a look here for part 1 where I get over to the east coast. So this is all about getting to the most extreme points on the UK mainland, the northerly, easterly, westerly and southerly points. Made it onto the beach. What time is it? 5:35 in the morning. Hoping I'm early enough to see some kind of sunrise. I'm not sure we're going to get that with this cover. Hopefully we'll see sun and won't see any more of the rain that we had last night. Oh man, it was pretty epic. With real big thunder and still managed to get a good night's sleep. Oh yeah, and the showers here were excellent. So, time to get some breakfast on, get packed up, and then move on. Croquet beachside camping. It's quite cool actually, middle of nowhere. Get to have a shower, get to do some washing up now as well, tidy up. I've got to get myself a new lighter. Got absolutely tated last night with the rain. And so it died. Couldn't light this morning. So this morning's breakfast, cold. Bloody hell, this is hot water. That's amazing. Hot water outside in the middle of nowhere. Unexpected. You're kind of expecting a bit of a rural site like this for it to be a bit basic. But I had a hot shower this morning, got hot water to wash up with. It's cool. 15 quid. Not bad, is it? Tent down. Last bits of stuff to put away in my canteen. And then I can box up and go. I am not stopping for long because these midges are ferocious. But I'm here. This is it. That's Dunnet Head Lighthouse. This is the most northerly point. There, just there, is the end of the UK mainland. And yeah, this will do. This will do. This is far enough. Look at that. It's pretty damn beautiful. But oh, you see? Bloody midges everywhere. Right, I'm off. bad spot for a stop off for lunch. Lunch at Loch Ness. This is the best bit of the route so far. Sun's out, I'm drying out, and just had some food, so back on the route now to Ardnamurchan Lighthouse. We're off. This is spectacular. I've come in on the A861 and then turned off onto the road towards Ardnamurchan. I've got to say that this is the first road that I've ever driven on that I've got travel sick whilst driving or riding. It's pretty bumpy, pretty twisty. Twisting not in a good way, but I've come up alongside this loch here. Oh man, it is crystal clear water. That is absolutely amazing. Sun's out, I've dried out, the bike is running beautifully, it's going so well. Hard going today. I'll see if I can make it to the lighthouse. I've got a load of time, I'm early. I want to see how far back south I can get as well. So let's crack on. I made it as far west on road as I can. So this is the most westerly point. There's the lighthouse over there, and the most westerly land point of the UK mainland is just over there. Say just over there, it's about 1,000 metres. So I've got to walk along that route there, where, well, there isn't a route. So let's get started and see how far we can get. Now when I looked at the map back when I was planning this out, I had in mind that I was going to bring the bike up here. It's rocky, I'd be stuck. I would definitely be stuck, and I think I'd have a hard time explaining to Mr. Green Flag whereabouts I am and how the heck he could get his recovery truck to me to get me back out again. Can't be that far, surely. If you like secluded beaches, then this is it. It'll be just you and the sheep. Nobody else come up here. No one else is mad enough, are they? Hey, sheep. In the meantime, beauty bike. She's there waiting for me. To get back from here is about 15 hours. So 15 hours from here. I don't think I'm going to do that in one hit, because it's now about, I don't know, 5 o'clock. I don't know because my watch is dying. We'll get back on the road, see how far I get, see if I can just camp somewhere. Well, I'm having a bit of a nightmare with kit so far. GoPro is buggered. That stopped working. DJI, that stopped working. I think the charger I've got on this bike is putting out too much power. As a result, it's killing everything off. So coming through some cracking places. Glencoe. Oh fuck. That just says it. Oh. Spoon in the road. Gravel. Lovely. So my plan now, finish this food and then head south. I don't know if I'm going to go straight back, aim for home. That's a long journey. Loch Lomond to home. Got to be some 12 hours. I don't know if I've got that in me. But we'll give it a go. See how far we get. Definitely looking forward to my own bed. I could go back, night in my own bed, then tick off the most southerly point. After that, that's what I think we're going to do. These midges are back. So that's me. Food done. Time to get calm. We'll get eaten alive. Over and out.